Masalo. Whoa! Made by me. Made by Xiaobei. I'm just digging on these. Honestly, yeah, it's my third one.
所以可以看到有龙虾，那也有我们的野菜。
That's really good. Octopus, baby. Let's just do it and see what happens. But you never know. It could be amazing. It could be amazing. I'm just kidding. This is fun though. It really is fun. What's up, me fun? Welcome back to Brad's Adventures here in Taiwan, round 2. Today we're up in Pingtung. I'm going to be letting you experience something all of you suggested you should do, which is Taiwan indigenous culture. Brad, did you know that Taiwan has indigenous tribes and culture? Okay, well, until today, I actually had no idea. Because, I mean, you think of Taiwan, I think of big cities, I think of a lot of people. So I had no idea that there were people still out here that were tribal and like living in such a way. I'm really kind of weird about it. For today, we're up here in Mudan, Pingtung. We're gonna be traveling in the mountains, going to 4 different tribal areas for you to experience the life and the culture of an indigenous person. We're talking hunting, to gathering, to cooking, and even some hot springs. Yeah. This is it, the first one, Dame. Let's get going. First thing we're gonna be doing, your first step to become an indigenous man is learn how to hunt and gather so we can make a solid lunch. Really? Yeah. So is his position, would you say, is equal to maybe like a chief with the Native American tribes? I would say so, yes.
因为我们原住民原住民本来就是跟大自然是结合在一起，我们就是秉持着就是对于大自然的敬畏，所以我们进去要入山的时候，因为里面也有很多的神灵，也有我们的族灵，所以我们必须要保持一种很敬畏、很神圣的一个心态，这是我们的一个文化了，这是我们原住民其实在各个部落原住民都有，基本上必须一定要做到尊敬神的这个神。OK， 这是它的果实，它这个是拿来可以做什么呢？洗头。对对对，天地人，天地人
connecting us all as one, right?
Yes.
Love that they have for the mountains is absolutely incredible. I mean, this is where they get, and this is what provides them with life itself. So we're going through all these things. This is fantastic.
이자자 딸이 만지자 마마자 이차보아 님은 지나고 돌아보나면 사파가까이 가면 너 손에 우리 일단 우리 마가도 사 보라보라면 一起讲马萨鲁哈，然后我讲马萨鲁马萨鲁马萨鲁马萨鲁马萨鲁。
This is actually going to be Brother's first time trying pinglang. I just found this out as we're filming it right now.
Okay.
Wow. Just spit it out. Like that?
Yeah.
My mouth is numb.
就避免掉这个，我们所以就会有加这个东西。
If we were in the United States. He's going to be shaking you and I around this mountain to catch the things we need to catch and gather the things we need to gather. So we're going to be making a indigenous food, jinafu, and they use this leaf to wrap it up. Oh.
对，很棒，厉害，这样 ，money。
哇！
对我们的部落来讲，它有一个很大的一个意义，因为这边以前是一个休息的一个地方。
Chilling 啊！
以前我们的村庄里面的人员是从别的地方，别的山，这样子要经过这条路到我们的部落。对于我们住民来讲，现在我们的价值就是怎么样如何跟大自然还能够和平共处。
We made a goal to make food today, and we need a protein.
我看你看，这个谁挖的？
哦，
这个是谁挖的？这个是山猪啊。
What is this? It's hard to see. Yeah, well, that's kind of the point. That's why it's just,
yeah.
If they step on it. Yep. Oh, there it is. You've got this, Brad. Gotta give the animal a reason to believe that they're completely safe stepping onto it. Oh! It caught me. And just know, I caught the pork for this meal.
Just kidding. Let's go down the hill, back to the village, tribal chef. She's gonna be showing us how to make a special dish, jinafu. I don't know that I've ever just seen a bunch of these mango trees before. Look at these, look how small. Dude, look at this little farm. Is this some agriculture? We gotta check this out. Look at this. So, Logan's getting all of his cameras set up. We are here. We're gonna make some sort of food. Look at this place that I'm at though. Alright, we're at these indigenous tribes and we've got this like we're walking on this pathway and then randomly like there's this little farm outlet and we're gonna be doing, and I still don't know officially what we're making or what we're doing, but it's gonna be fun. So stick with me on this one because this one could be fun. So this is a jinafu and it is this millet pork wrap that goes into this leaf. We're going to boil it and she's going to show us how to make this. This is a very traditional indigenous food. What is millet? And apparently it's a very like seeded grass. And so there's tons of different variations of it. And so we're just gonna, there's a little bit of rice, a little bit of millet, some pork, one layer. 2. She makes it look way easier than it actually is. You know, this is my indigenous wrap. I'm gonna go home and make a restaurant out of this idea. Beautiful. And I told her, wait, whoa. Did you just do that? Yes. No, that's what she did. My mad skills, bro. Made by me, made by Xiaobei. What? So now we are putting them in to cook. It's too crappy. It was not allowed. Oh no! No! That's so embarrassing. She had to refix it. Let's put it that way. There's no like chemical taste at all. Oh my gosh. Wow. Dude, look at that, man. That's a hard work. All right. That's pretty good, huh? Yeah. It tastes like pork and grits. Wow. That's way good. You grab these and chuck them in your bag. This is loaded with energy and protein. Jinafu Wansui. Besides this, we've got a whole array of this really fresh indigenous food. And when I saw it, I thought of one thing. Healthy. Look how fresh this is. Look how healthy this is. This fish that we're having right here, super salty on the outside. The meat is incredibly soft. Like, so they take the water, divert it from the mountain spring. Yep. Fill up these pools, raise these fish. You guys, that's huge because most of the problem that you get from fish is from the water and the environment they live in. What caught my eye right off the bat was this chicken leg. Look at this thing. Wowzer. It's got a smoky taste. Chicken's up here are lean. I absolutely love it. I like that. I gotta help make it. I'm just digging on these. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, it's my third one. But, it's different. Yeah, for sure. It's I don't even know what to say. Like, I've never had anything like this before, so. Yo, so here I am, up in the upper mountains in Taiwan, at a place where the Taiwanese indigenous people still live and thrive. Until today, I didn't even know they existed. Yeah. So, how are they still existing? What shaped them to be able to make it through all these years and still maintain a lot of their tradition? I don't know, I'm just excited to see what we have. Yeah, so right behind us is the story house. Let's head in, let's go.
Right, the reason that they introduced the rover incident because that before this incident, the Qing government at that time, they didn't really pay attention to Taiwan. They just say, no, Taiwan's a part of the territory, but they never really, manage Taiwan until this happened.
I don't want to claim you, but if anything happens, you're ours. If anything good happens, it's ours, but otherwise you're on your own.
And then they realize, oh, the Japanese, they like this place, they want to invade this place, That's why this is so important, for us to know, and also for indigenous people. And we learn about our culture before we live in a very close society, because this incident forced us to open to the world, to the outside world.
Oh, okay. What was the incident?
The boat they had a shipwreck near the Gaoshi, and there's 66 of them just wandering around into the Cusco village. And then because the language barrier, you know, they were killed by our ancestors.
Crazy. What you're saying is this specific incident with all those people dying, let the world know, hey, there's somebody here.
Oh yeah, it all started with the indigenous people.
Yeah.
I mean, and then the interactions between the whole world with the indigenous people is what shaped Taiwan directly, for sure.
I'm excited. This is going to be my second grassland experience here in Taiwan. And you know me, I'm all about the grass.
My first.
Whoa!
Man, you want to see what's going on? Put the drone up in the air.
So this is our third tribe out of 4 that we've been going to.
Yeah.
And this tribe is actually really beautiful. We drove through the mountains. For me, it was a beautiful drive. For you, you got a little sick.
Oh my God, I'm
But
still sick.
this place is beautiful. And right here, we've got the man, the tour guide. 请问一下，我们目前在哪一个部落？
我现在是在旭海村旭海部落。
This is beautiful. This grassland on the top of a mountain up here. We'll talk in a little bit. 我来到这个地方觉得非常的漂亮。
这个草原主要是我们生计的地方，
哪边就是会拎到垦丁，就是最南部的。
对，
然后这边的海都是一直到海岛。
台东。
那这个地方就非常的适合来到这边享受一个茶，一个午餐，还有最好的就是大家可以随便来享受一下这个大自然。Okay, time to have 5-star indigenous food.
5-star. I'm excited for that.
Brad, this is super coastal and it's beautiful.
When you said 5-star, you meant 5-star.
所以可以看到有龙虾，那也有我们的野菜。
Obviously, the main thing on here is this lobster. How do you eat lobster?
You just do it, alright?
Now, don't you just first want to crack back its tail? Right? Ow, that's sharp! Hot diggity!
So normally with me, I would like melt butter, right? You melt some butter, and you dip it in the butter, and it's so good.
Brad, this is really good. But these look nice. That's really good.
That's a really good sauce. Alright, I'll try a piece of this. You try some of those.
Okay. Now this is not a snail. This is called a salamander snail. Oh my gosh. You rip it right out?
Octopus, baby.
Woo! 3, 2, 1.
Finish it. Just really, I mean, if you're a seafood fan at all, I mean, this is top notch. This is about as good as it gets. And the fact that they do get it local is a huge thing because you know what? It's so easy in today's day and age where transportation's quick. Hey, just go get it from somewhere else. Just go bring it in and you lose out on the quality. And here, I feel like everything that they grow is organic. It is super indigenous. This is the highest quality food you could probably get on the island.
Okay guys, I think you all know what to say. 喝一杯，
快乐一杯，米呀万岁。
This is the greatest thing on earth.
It just is. Breakfast one sway.
The air here is just phenomenal.
Maybe tell them I think I'm too big for this.
Yeah.
The view is amazing. Oh shoot. Can I join your tribe?
I'm excited to put this on my lips.
I think we can do an entire buffet every day. Everything honey, baby. Yeah. Wait for me.
Hey, I did it and I loved it.